All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're talking about something that is totally flipping the script for creators. The idea that your studio, well, it's an AI now, and you can make music like instantly with tools that are out there for you to use right now. Seriously, let's get into it.
Just think about that for a second. No instruments, no studio, no problem. For decades, making music meant you needed pricey gear, you needed years of practice, you needed to get into a studio. But that huge wall, that barrier to entry, it's just crumbling right in front of us. And this isn't some far-off future stuff. Nope, it is happening right now.
And when I say it's happening now, I mean it's not some slow leak. It is a full-on explosion. This number, 99x, that's the growth in people in the US just searching for AI music tools. It's a creative revolution, and honestly, it's picking up speed faster than anyone could have predicted. Okay, so here's the game plan for today's explainer. First, we'll look at the AI music explosion. Then, we'll check out your Instant AI Studio. We'll talk about who this is for, music for every creator. Then we'll go from AI idea to a full song. And finally, we'll wrap up with the future of creativity.
All right, let's kick things off with part one, the AI music explosion. We're going to dig into the numbers and see why literally everyone seems to be talking about this stuff.
Okay, just look at this. The sheer volume is, well, it's wild. We're talking over 200,000 searches every single month, and that's just in the US. This is completely blown past being a little niche thing for tech geeks. It's officially a mainstream movement. Creators everywhere are looking for new, better, and, let's be honest, faster ways to make music.
So yeah, the trend is undeniable. But what are the actual tools making all this happen? Let's jump into our next section, your Instant AI Studio. I'm going to show you the stuff you can start using for free, like today.
And this right here, this is the core promise. And it's absolutely mind-blowing. Think about it. That gap, the one between having an idea in your head and actually hearing it play out, it's basically gone. It's been shrunk down to almost nothing. You can go from dead silence to a full-on beat in, under a minute? It's crazy. So, to get you started, it's easiest to think of these tools in like two big buckets, right? So on one side, you've got your beat and rhythm makers, tools like Soundful or Boomy. These are amazing for energetic stuff, hip-hop, electronic beats. Then in the other bucket, you've got tools for ambiance and mood. Think Moobert or Iva. These are perfect for background music for your videos, creating soundscapes, even laying down vocal tracks. It's really just about picking the right tool for the job. Okay, so how does this all come together in a real toolkit for you? Like, who's actually using this stuff, and what makes it such a game changer? That's what this next part is all about. Music for every creator.
What makes this whole thing so powerful comes down to these three things. First off, you don't need a budget. That's huge. It opens up music creation to literally anyone. Second, you get results instantly, which is perfect for how fast we all have to work these days. And the third one, this one is a biggie, it's all 100% royalty-free. That means no copyright strikes, no legal nightmares, just you and your ideas.
Okay, YouTubers, you're gonna feel this. You know that pain of digging through endless stock music libraries for hours just to find something that's okay? Or worse, you use a track and get hit with a copyright claim. Forget all that. With these AI tools, you can just generate a custom track that fits the exact mood and pace of your video in minutes. And podcasters, listen up. This is how you build a real audio brand for your show. Stop using that same generic intro music that everyone else has. You can create your own custom intros, outros, little transition sounds. Just imagine having unique audio that makes your show sound super polished and professional. It's a total game changer.
Now, for my TikTokers out there, originality is everything. The algorithm loves it. So when the entire platform is using the same 5 trending sounds, imagine dropping a video with a completely unique audio track, something nobody's ever heard before. That's how you get people to stop scrolling. A custom sound is like a cheat code for standing out.
Okay, so we've talked about why this is happening and who it's for. Now for the fun part, the how. I'm going to walk you through a super simple 3-step process to take a basic AI idea and level it up into something that sounds like a real song.
Seriously, it's this easy.
Step 1, you generate your main melody or beat with one of those AI tools. Step 2, you start layering. Add some free sounds on top to give it some texture, make it more you. And step 3, and trust me, almost everyone skips this, you have to title it for the algorithm.
Yeah, let's talk about that third step, smart titling, because it is so important. Don't just call your track New Beat 1. Nobody is searching for that. You have to name it for how you want people to find it. So something like Chill AI Beat #shorts. See what that does? You're using keywords, chill, AI beat, and platform tags like #shorts. You're literally telling the algorithm who to show your music to. It makes a huge difference.
All right, you want to really make that track your own? Here are a few quick tips to polish it up. Go find some free sound effects online. A little bit of rain, a vinyl crackle, whatever. It adds so much character. You can even overlay your own voice. You don't have to sing, just use it as another layer of texture. Then pull the whole thing into a free program like Audacity or BandLab for a quick mix. And once you're done, get it out there. Post it to TikTok or Shorts right away and see what people think.
So, where does this all go from here? Let's zoom out a bit and think about the future of creativity. Because what we're seeing isn't just a new tool, it's a fundamental shift in how we make things.
Look, this new creative future isn't something to just sit around and talk about. It's something you can be a part of, starting right now. So if you're ready to dive in, I've got something for you. Just comment AI songs down below and I will send you my AI music toolkit. It's got a beat template guide and everything you need to get started.
And hey, don't let this be the end of it. You're definitely going to want to subscribe because tomorrow we're taking this to the next level. We're going to take these simple AI tunes we've been talking about and actually remix them into full-blown songs. You don't want to miss that. So, we've covered the whole journey, right? From this crazy explosion in interest to the tools you can use to a workflow you can try out literally today. And it all boils down to this one big question. Is AI the ultimate creative partner? Is this the thing that finally frees us up to just focus on our ideas? I honestly want to know what you think. Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for hanging out.